is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna start our spring cleaning. With everything that is going on in the world right now, we are laying low and staying close to home, which is kind of perfect timing because I am able to get all my spring cleaning done. So that's what we're starting today. I'm gonna start in the kitchen with the pantry. So I hope that this video is motivating to you guys and that you enjoy it, and I hope that some of you are spring cleaning with me. And this video is also sponsored by HelloFresh, and I'm gonna show you a super yummy dinner that we're gonna be making tonight. Here's my to-do list today. I'm actually not getting to the laundry room in this video, but be on the lookout for a deep clean of my laundry room in an upcoming spring cleaning video. The first thing that I'm doing today is cleaning out the pantry. As you can see, it is a hot mess, and unfortunately, this is the reality most of the time. I've been meaning to get to this for a really long time and just haven't. But today's the day, and the first thing that I'm doing is taking everything out of the pantry. If you've seen any of my other organizing videos, you know that this is the way that I like to organize. I like to take everything out of the space so that number one, I can see what I have, and number two, I like to see the space that I'm working with and kind of start with a blank slate. As I'm pulling things out, I'm putting it on the island, and then from the island I go through things and I'm checking expiration dates, finding any food that is stale, and I'm also organizing the food into categories. So breakfast foods, snacks, baking, things like that. And for anybody who's curious, all of these white bins are from the Dollar Tree. This little shelf that I'm putting in here is actually a shoe rack, but it helps me utilize a lot of the unused space down here at the very bottom of the pantry. These little tote baskets are also from the Dollar Tree, and they're perfect for kids' snacks that are individually wrapped. And I like to place them near the bottom of the pantry. That way my little 3-year-old can just go in there and grab a snack when she's hungry. Everything is kind of trial and error when I'm organizing. A lot of times I'll place things in one spot that I think it will work in, and then I'll take a step back and realize that maybe that's not the best spot for it. And so I rearrange quite a bit until I'm finally happy with the finished product. I actually ended up stopping for the night, so this is the next morning, and before I organize or clean anything, I have to start my day with a cup of coffee. I'm trying some new things to organize with this time. I used to have canned goods in these little canned good bins that I got from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't like them because I couldn't see what I had. So I did some Pinterest searching and I saw this use of a spice rack to store your canned goods, and I like it so much because it not only looks really nice and neat, but now I can see everything that I have. We were badly overdue for a new solution for our spices, so I did some Pinterest searching and I saw someone use an over-the-door shoe organizer to keep their spices in, and I thought that was brilliant, and it's pretty cost effective. This only costs about $15, and I've seen them at Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond, all kinds of places. So that's what I tried, and you guys, I loved how it turned out. I also wanted a new solution for some of our vinegars and oils and things like that. And I did not like having to pull a basket out. It was pretty heavy, and I, again, just couldn't see what I had. So I got one of these turntables from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's by the brand Inner Design. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. I love it. I think it looks really cute, and it's very functional. After I finished organizing, all I could do was just stare at the pantry. Every once in a while I would walk by it and just open the door and look inside. An organized space is just so soothing to me, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Oh, and I did forget to mention that I got this basket from TJ Maxx to keep our potatoes in. Moving on to the fridge, it's actually already pretty organized. It's just really full because we had recently stocked up after everything kind of went haywire with the coronavirus. But what I am really needing to do here is clean the fridge, like deep clean it, wipe down the shelves and things like that. So I'm taking everything out of the fridge like I normally do, and then I'm gonna give everything a good scrub. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. This is pork carnitas tacos. They look really yummy. And everything, all the meals that they send you come with a recipe card. Super easy for even beginners to make these meals. Everything comes pre-packaged and pre-portioned, which is super nice and handy. I don't have to go to the grocery store. I don't have to meal plan. So we do HelloFresh quite often in our house. So here's everything that I'm gonna need to make the pork tacos tonight. Comes with fresh produce. Everything is pre-packaged and pre-portioned, like I said, and then you even get your meat.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain, and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, won't you come?
So here is one of the finished tacos. There's the ground pork with some poblano pepper and onions and some spices. And then there's cheese, tomato, cilantro, and some onion. And then I squeezed some lime juice on top of it. So I'm gonna go eat this now. Andrew already had one and said that it was really tasty. If you're a busy mom or just a busy person in general, or if you just want to have a super tasty home-cooked meal with everything prepackaged and pre-portioned and delivered straight to your door, just to make life a little bit easier, then I totally recommend HelloFresh. We love it, we use it all the time. And I also have a discount code for you guys. You can use the code allisoneligooch10 for 10 free meals off your first month of HelloFresh. The last thing that I'm doing today is cleaning out underneath the stove. I could see crumbs poking out from the bottom that I couldn't get with a vacuum cleaner. So I don't know why I've never done this before, but this is a public service announcement. Y'all check under your stoves. It is disgusting under there, as you can see. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. I hope that this video gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. If you guys are stuck in your houses like I am, then now is the time to do all of your spring cleaning. I have tons more cleaning motivation videos, and I'll link the playlist down below if you guys want any company while you're cleaning your houses too. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, I would love for you guys to consider doing that. I would love to have you be a part of the channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_gooch. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one, and keep an eye out for some more spring cleaning motivation videos. Bye.